How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. So, like I told you in the last episode, um, I'm already starting the wrap. Unfortunately, I only get some, not all of it because, kind of expensive to have this type of hobbies. So, really easy to remove the tail lights. You can see, remove tail lights. I wrap this part because it's kind of separate from this part right here. So it's not really easy to wrap it. I'm starting doing this and it looks good, but yeah, it's really difficult. So I already finished the trunk, but the difficult part is gonna be this part right here, because if you put the license plate, you still can see this part right here. I don't worry too much about this because tail light is gonna be here, but I'm worried about this part right here. So that's the only difficult part. And I'm running out of wrap, but I already finished the trunk and the fender. So this one is about to get done, and I'm gonna put the bumper back on when I'm done. This one, it was a lot easier. There is no trick that I can share with you. Like I said in my last episode, I'm doing this and I'm learning at the same time. I have the heat right here. This is something that I'm doing and I'm learning how to do it. I'm not an expert on it, but we're gonna make it look a lot better than this plastic dip thing. I just had to cut it and finish this part. Put everything back together, and that's gonna be it for this one. So like I said, so I'm running a wrap. This is the only thing that I have left. I'm not gonna be able to cover anything else with it. I was waiting yesterday on the mail to have the one that is gonna go on the hood. It didn't come in the mail yesterday, so tomorrow is gonna be here, and tomorrow I'm gonna wrap the hood, which you guys already know. I'm gonna do that. Sticker bomb back on it. I'm gonna clean it. So right now that we don't have the sticker bomb yet, I'm gonna clean everything, make it look good, so we're gonna start wrapping that tomorrow. But what do you think about the new flat black? It's gonna take a little while. It's not gonna be something that I'm gonna finish overnight. So today I'm gonna order more wrap, and I'm gonna cover the doors on both sides. So with that, I'm just gonna have left to do the roof and the rear quarter panels. Bumpers, I might do something else, because to be honest, to wrap bumpers is really difficult. I might paint them, to be honest, because I'm not an expert, and like I said, I'm doing this for a hobby. It's not like I'm gonna become a professional on this. I'm just doing this for fun, and I'm doing it just to cover my car, because you can see how ugly it is with the plastic dip. This thing ruins everything. But that was my mistake. I gotta pay for it, so I gotta fix it. And if I take all the plastic dip, it's just gonna be the regular color. You guys know the flat black, it looks a lot better in my opinion, so that's why I'm going for it. If you can see, man, this thing looks good. It's gonna look a lot better flat black, guys. So like you see, I was thinking on get rid of the car. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna keep driving it, and I was gonna thinking on getting a 5-speed manual. But to be honest, I need power. I need more torque. I need power. I need something that is loud. So not say that I'm gonna get it next month, but in the near future, I would say in the next 6 months, I'm gonna get something really, really good, and it's gonna be something that you guys gonna like it, because this is a good, reliable daily driver. But to be honest, I need power. And this one, even if you go turbo, you're gonna have a lot of fun and everything, but this is a daily. I want something to take on the weekends and to go fast. Okay, guys, so what I have left to do right now is just put the bumper back on. So that's coming. That's released. I don't need to show you that. So if you can see, we finished the wrap on the fender. It looks really good, to be honest. Flat black is gonna look amazing once I get it done. So the only concern that I have right now, which obviously is not gonna bother me a lot, is once I put the license plate, I already run out of wrap. The wrap that I have is not gonna cover the entire back section right here. So that's my only concern, because I need to wrap this part. You put the license plate and still you're gonna see this part right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. This part is really difficult to me. I don't want to put paint or plastic dip. It's gonna look really ugly. So I'm gonna take my time to do this part, because I will need to wrap this section right here and this, and it has a lot of curves and everything, and this flat black wrap is difficult to wrap. Another thing, when you remove your badge, Honda badge, you had two little holes in it, so I'm gonna have to put my Honda emblem back on this car, because you can see how ugly it looks right there. So guys, tell me what you think about the new wrap. Obviously this is not something that is gonna get done right now, but I already started. I'm gonna order some more, so hopefully by the next episode you're gonna see the doors done and the hood. So only thing that I have left to do this one, put my bumper right now and just drive in the meantime with all these colors. But you know, project cars takes time all the time. It's always something to do. So guys, hope you like this episode. I'm just throw this little episode as just an update on how everything's coming along. To be honest, it's not easy to wrap, but it's not impossible. So if you take your time, you can do these wraps if you want to wrap your car. And if you get tired one day, you just remove it and put another one on it. Mirrors, that's one of the difficult things to do, so I'm gonna paint them. Don't hate me guys, because that's difficult and I'm not a professional. The bumpers too, it's gonna get paint. I don't want to deal with that, because it is hard and I'm not a professional, like I said. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment down below. Any suggestions, any comments, let me know. And guys, once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.